If you've been thinking about jumping into Kajabi, particularly to make your first online course, this is the best time ever. Kajabi is launching their Think It, Build It challenge. And I can't wait to tell you about it. If you want an extended trial of Kajabi, high quality training, and even a weekly webinar that you can jump on, answer any questions you want from the Kajabi team, this is something you need to look into. And there's also a really special bonus that you're gonna get from Kajabi as a part of this challenge. I wanna tell you all about it. My name's Lane, this is my channel. I love helping entrepreneurs get their message out and make a great income doing it. So we talk about Kajabi on this channel a lot because it's a online business platform. It's an all-in-one solution, and it is my favorite online business building tool and online business platform. I've been on Kajabi for a couple of years. I love it so much. So I want to tell you about the Think It, Build It challenge. And I also want to offer you something along with the Think It, Build It challenge that you can get using my link. If you want to try out this challenge right now, you can go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi. That is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission. If you appreciate what we're doing here at this channel, it's a way to support what we're doing. But also there's something in it for you. With my link, and this is exclusive to my link, you're going to get my $25,000 course launch email template. These are the exact emails and sequence of emails and strategy that I used to launch my first course on Kajabi and make $25,000 in the first 3 launches. I want to put that in your hands as a way to say thank you for using my link, along with everything that you're going to get with the Think It, Build It challenge. So I want to go through each one of the things that you're going to get with the Think It, Build It challenge, and then I want to let you jump in right away. So the first thing is you're going to get a 30-day extended trial. Typically, Kajabi does 14 days, but they're going to give you 30 days. And the reason why is because during those 30 days, you're going to get some really cool things from Kajabi. You get a step-by-step video training to create high-quality online courses. So they're going to walk you through exactly what to do step by step to get your course built. Like I said, there's live weekly webinars, so you can jump on every week. They'll be there to answer questions. They'll be there to help you stay on track. And then there's an exclusive challenge community with bonus expert content. So there's all the other people that will be in the Think It, Build It challenge with you that will be able to help you along the way, which is pretty cool. So the really cool bonus with the Think It, Build It challenge is that Kajabi is actually going to buy your finished course. So you build an online course for free during these first 30 days, put it up for sale on Kajabi, and they're going to actually buy your course from you for up to $100. So in essence, they're paying you to use Kajabi, which is a pretty amazing thing. Also, the other cool thing is there's a bonus advanced content where you're going to get a 2-part interview series with Neil Patel. Neil Patel is kind of the gold standard for online marketing and particularly sales funnels. So that in itself is probably about a $500 value that's included with this. So if you're on the fence and you're thinking about making a digital product, particularly an online course, and you just haven't jumped into Kajabi yet, this is the time to do it. You can use my link, like I said, to get the $25,000 course launch email template. You get all of the stuff that they give you with the Think It, Build It challenge. I just think this is the most incredible time to jump into this platform. What they say here is to build an online course and will be the first to buy it. Get step-by-step guidance on how to validate your idea, structure your product, film your content, and turn it into a digital product that will actually sell. Kajabi will even be your first customer. Like I said, you'll get the tools you need, the extended 30-day trial, frequent live check-ins, a built-in community to keep you motivated and accountable. Really, really awesome stuff. So the challenge is available right now as of today, March 15th, and it's going to be open for registration through March 29th. All you have to do is use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Just click on it. It will take you straight to the page that will go to the Think It, Build It challenge. And I cannot wait to see what you do on this platform. And in the meantime, if you have more questions about Kajabi, I have a whole playlist right here that is reviews and tutorials on this platform. So any questions you might have about how things work or whether or not Kajabi is right for you, just click on this playlist and I'll see you inside side there. Otherwise, go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi to get started right now. Can't wait to see what you do with Kajabi.